GP Women's College ꯏꯝꯐꯥꯜꯒꯤ Principal ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ DMUꯒꯤ School of Social Sciences ꯀꯤ Dean ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯝꯕꯤ Professor Tampasana Rajkumaribu farewell ꯄꯤꯕꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ꯫ College asigi Teachers Forum na sinduna Library Hall da pangthokiba farewell-gi thauram aduda Dr. M. Vidyasagar, HOD Physics Department loinana Vice President Students Union of GP Women's College amadi Associate Professor Mathematics Department H. Romina Guest of Honor oina amadi Teachers Forum gi President Dr. Akoizam Nirmala Devi na President oina saruk yakhi. Exam Cell, Scholarship Cell, Women's Cell amadi Oja Singh na achamba khudol tamduna aroiba bidai piki. Thauramga mari lainana college asige principal oirambe Professor Tampasana Rajkumari na pukningi warol piraduna haikibada college asigi damak thabak thauram taunlaba hotnabada support tawbirakiba singbu thagatpa phongdokhe. Makatana lakadaba principal singasu mateng pinaduna nupi sing khaktagi oina leiriba ariba college asibu awang bathakta pukhatpirakpa oishino haina taibang mapuda thaunizari haike.
I've been in the college for the past, I think, 43 years. I started my career in 1981. I did actually Oswald Road, I did the Namala to the main father. But the Kisima of me and I also do have the Yawdana, they get them. I didn't come so Hamogana, they get some my till today. And like it's been a very long and very pleasant journey from 81 till today. And the last part of my service career, from 2018 till today, I've been district working as a principal. Because when I joined as a principal in 2018, that was the time when Manipur University was also established.